This video is about location bid adjustments. So we're going to edit the locations bid according to conversion we have in the past few days. I select the test campaign we created before. We go to more here and we go to locations. If you remember, in the previous videos we added or we imported locations or the states in the United States from here. So here we can see that we have one conversion here in which one? In New York. So we can here increase the bid if we have more conversion. If we notice that we have more conversion here in New York, we can come here and increase the bid, for example 10% or more. If we notice that we have more clicks here in California, but the cost is more expensive for a click, so we can, like here the average CPC is 21, but we notice here we have 26 and here we have 46 and CPC a little bit higher, like here we have 70 in Kentucky. So we can here decrease the, of course we can do this if we don't have conversion. We should wait for a little bit, for a few days. Here we come back here and we can adjust the bid for each state depending on the conversion and for and average CPC and the cost. So if we have like no conversions like in Illinois and we have here cost is more than the products, like more than $50 or more, so we can decrease here the bid by whatever you want, 10 or 30 depending on the budget that you have.